Read Revelation 12, and you'll see that the dragon is now, at this time, casting down the stars to earth. Satan is casting his angels down to earth. The war in heaven is about to begin. The next thing on the agenda that's about to come upon the world is all the great multitudes who sleep in the dust will awake. We're going to see the rapture of the dead first, and it's going to happen soon. It's going to be a surprise, take everyone unaware. These so-called drones in the news are nothing man-made. Don't believe the lies. They're not drones. They are not aliens. They are the fallen angels of Lucifer. The war in heaven's about to begin.